Just in, direct off the last owner. What an absolutely outstanding example this is. Stunning example with just over £4,000 worth of factory fitted options, we believe. Land Rover Discovery HSE TD6 in this Aruba gold metallic. It is gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Lovely 6-cylinder engine, 3 litre, 255 brake horsepower. Registered in March 2018 on an 18 plate with full service history. Many factory options, including the panoramic roof, the black alloys, the side steps, privacy glass. Let's take you all the way around it, show you exactly how nice this car is. Electric tailgate, rear parking sensors, reverse camera, it's also got the electric folding rear seats. Fantastic feature it really is. Makes it very easy to drop the seats down, to bring the 7 seats up. All controlled by the modules there. I'll show you how easy it is to drop those seats down, bring the 7 seats up. Lovely and clean inside, no damage. The rear seats all in perfect condition. It really is a work of art how these seats drop down, fold up, and just makes it so easy. Full black leather upholstery. Just a couple of buttons and it drops down nicely, giving you a massive boot. As I mentioned, of course, electric tailgate. This vehicle also has a detachable factory fitted tow bar that has never been used in the vehicle from new. As I mentioned, rear privacy glass, it's got the extended black roof rails. Bodywork is absolutely perfect. No damage, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. It is gorgeous, it really is a fabulous example, really well cherished. Gloss black alloy wheels, all in great condition. Those are the side steps. All running board, if you like to call them. So all the wheels, no damage to those. Matching Michelin tyres all the way around. Headlight power washers, got the upgraded headlights, LED headlights. Again, just to give you a very good close-up, as you can see, no damage. Front parking sensors. All down the sides, no little dings or scuffs anywhere. Electric folding mirrors. As I mentioned, the extended black roof rails. And inside it is absolutely beautiful. Panoramic roof, front and rear. Makes it very light and airy inside. Lots of space in there. Heated rear seats. Full leather upholstery. Black with a white piping. Non-smoker's car. No damage to there. No horrible smells. It's got this beautiful light oak trim. Again, all the door trims. No damage at all. Absolutely perfect. Again on the front, electric seats, memory seats, heated seats, the folding mirrors, Meridian upgraded sound system. Get those seats absolutely perfect with electric adjustment. This one's also got the lane assist. Great feature. Electric adjustable steering column, leather multifunction steering wheel. And again, the driver's seat in great condition, no undue wear. And of course the panoramic roof at the front as well. Centre armrest, you've got the folding arms as well, armrests there. Lots of storage in there. USB, AUX input. Massive box there for storage. Cup holders. A nice little cubby hole there, a bit more storage under there. Not only that, a little bit more there as well. Keyless start. Again, just to show you a close-up. The attention to detail is absolutely fantastic. And again, all the dash trims in great condition. 2 gloves box, one at the top, one underneath. So a bit more storage for you. And a fantastic sound system, it really is. Sounds fabulous. Reverse camera. The mirrors drop down or go up as you put it in and out of reverse, just to make sure though you don't curb those wheels. Nice clear touchscreen. Of course DAB radio, you can control the temperatures, control the heated seats from there, satellite navigation. A very nice clear screen. The mileage of just 29,604, that's all it's done. 29,604, full service history, 2018 car. You got the various modes for driving through all sorts of conditions. You can get the suspension ride just perfect. Of course it's got air suspension as well. The special programs just show in front of you on the dashboard, nice and clear. So again, everything nice and easy. Scroll through, all touchscreen. Heated seat control, various temperatures. As you flick through, Bluetooth phone connection of course. All the options are listed on the advert itself. Of course, dual zone climate control. And all the drive modes selected from there. Paddle shift gear change, of course. Various modes, radio controls on the steering wheel. Voice activation.
Radio.
Say an FM command.
FM radio 2.
Just makes it safer when you're driving along, so you can control your radio, your Bluetooth, satellite navigation, all just by talking to it. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always welcome, great files available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal, low deposit, low monthly payments. And again, you've got the menu on the dashboard to control everything on there. The other option is the blind spot elimination. It's got the option of that as well, which is a really great feature. So there we have it, our fantastic Land Rover Discovery HSE TD6 with just 29,000 miles, great options, in fantastic condition. And we did a video to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. You can click and collect this vehicle from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery straight to your doorstep. Ask us for further details. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Bought direct from the last owner, who we've done quite a bit of business with over the years, and they keep coming back to us time and time again to sell us cars like these. Any further information, please give us a call 01782 822 700. The phone number again 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.